take a look at this really powerful Amazon AI listing builder. You just put in your working title, the category, choose whether or not it's enrolled in brand registry, choose the cost per unit and the margin. You can hit recommend price and the AI is going to do a deep dive to analyze the entire category, the competitors, and it's going to determine a landing price that's going to be best optimized for that listing and that category based on the margin you choose as well. This one, it shows $14.99 as the recommended price. The low end is $18.99, high is $19.99, or excuse me, $10.99 on the low end. And we're also able to add reference files, so I just uploaded a picture of the shoe, and for an example, I said write this listing in the brand voice of Carter's. Now we're going to watch it generate the entire listing, which takes just a little bit of time. And here we have the results. Everything is totally optimized for the current algorithm on Amazon, sort of for the AI generation. So we've got our title, bullet points. We can refine each section no matter what you want to choose here. We got some recommendations. When we hit refine, it will edit every section if it's not to your liking. A+ content modules. Basically, these are sort of templates for your A+ content. And you've got backend keywords listed here. It picks the best possible subcategory, which is going to return the most possible traffic organically. And it does 23 compliance checks to make sure that the listing is totally compliant on Amazon. Even more incredibly, we've got image briefs over here. So each image, we can generate a brief. And once that brief is generated, you're going to see the exact queries that we can input into any AI tool to actually create the image itself. And they're going to be super in-depth for each type of AI tool, or if you're using a freelancer, you have a whole spec that you can just send the freelancer directly and they will create that image for you. Now the brief is ready for this image. Looking at the full brief, we have the full creative brief here: layout, structure, copy elements, color palette, typography, mood references, mobile readability, Amazon compliant checklists. You have a field to refine it even further down here. And we've got tool prompts here. So for Midjourney, GPT Image 1, Google Imagen, Flux, and Freelancer Designer Brief. You can just copy and paste these right into the AI tools that you like to use, and it is going to spit out the exact image that you want. And at the end, you can download a full PDF of the brief to send it to the designer or just save it to your files. Pretty incredible tool. I mean, there's just a couple fields that you have to input and it generates a full professional listing that you can use on Amazon that is completely optimized for the current algorithm. You can try it for free, sellerforge.ai. This is just one of 10 modules, so there's all sorts of other stuff in here to play around with. It's free for a week or $99 a month.